Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you creative ideas for transforming your bedroom into a cozy and stylish sanctuary. In today's video, we will be sharing 5 inspiring bedroom decor ideas that will help you create the perfect retreat for relaxations and reservations. So let's get started. Ideas number 1. Scenery minimalist and embrace the beauty of simplicity by adopting a minimalist approach to your bedroom decor. Opt for clean lines, natural colors palettes, and clutter-free spaces. Choose essential furniture pieces that serve both functional and aesthetically purposes. Keep the room uncluttered and use clever storage solutions to maintain a serene and triangular atmospheres. Ideas number 2. Bohemian Chicks. Infuse your bedroom with bohemian charms by incorporating vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and a mix of textures. Add decorative tapestries, throws, pillows, and rugs with bold prints. Incorporate natural elements such as rattan or macrame to create a relaxed and electric vibe. Do not forget to include cozy sitting areas and soft lighting to complete the boho look. Ideas number 3. Coaster Escape. Create a beach inspired retreat in your bedroom with a coastal decor theme. Choose a color palette inspired by the ocean, such as soft blues, sandy naturals, and crisp whites. Incorporate natural materials like rattan, dirt, and driftwood. Add a natural accents like sea hills, drops, and color for a touch of seaside charm. Complete the look with breezy curtains and light, airy bedding. Glamorous elegance elevates your bedroom with a touch of glamorous and sophistications. Remember, your bedroom should be a reflection of your personal style and a space of promote taste, rest, and reservations. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.